Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday. So right now it's 6:40. I got HA up about 10 minutes ago. He's just finishing his breakfast. I'm going to get him together and get him dressed. And yeah, I thought I'd bring you with me today and see where we end up. So last night we had major storms. It's supposed to get pretty cold today, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna go get him dressed and get us out of here.
I already have one.
Well, we gotta get dressed. He loves this chair I recently bought. So here are my two babies just getting up. This is Bluebell and that is Olive. I'll talk more about them later. They are freaking adorable and so sweet. Have a good day. Okay, so I dropped AJ off. Hopefully he has a really good day. And now I'm gonna make my way to work. And I go through the knobs because it's so pretty and I love it so much up here. And this is the time when I turn on my audiobook and I just enjoy the drive. How well we're going to do this today. I'm pretty easy this night. This is a favorite stretching. So cool. And this is where it's another lookout. There's a car coming, so I don't want to stay too long. And there's actually one more lookout from the direction I go, and it's coming up one more time right around here. So you guys can see why deer can be such a problem. Look, those trees crashed down in the rain last night. And then the other lookout. So this is what I call the mountain. I guess it's a knob. It's been debated between Laura and myself, even Ryan, on if this is a little mountain or a knob. I say it's a mountain, but I know it's not super high up, but definitely feels like a mountain to me. Down we go. Okay, look at that bang sticking out. So I'm here at work. It's 7:43, and the first thing I'm doing today is finishing a report for my boss. So it shouldn't take me about 10 minutes probably. I did it yesterday, like right before I left, and then he wanted me to add something to it, and I didn't have time. So I'm still, you know, got my eyes and ears open on jobs and whatever, but my main goal is doing a good job here because I do like where I work. I do like all the people with the exception of the one, but I don't know, you guys. I just need to stay focused and not make any kind of crazy decision about anything. and just continue to do a good job where I'm at and continue to keep my eyes and ears open. But I'm going to start with the report. I'm at the end of the month, which means I'm doing a lot of billings. I'm reviewing a lot of invoices before they're sent out. I'm also training a lady who is really kind and sweet and pretty. And I'm just trying not to think too hard about the busy day ahead. My desk is quite a mess. So it is lunchtime. I am heading home. Today I'm just going to eat a Stouffer's meal. What did I make last night? I made a salad for dinner, and there's no leftovers of that. And even if there were, they're usually not that good the day after. So I do always keep a few things in the house that are easy to fix, and I actually laid out the Stouffer's meal so it doesn't take as long to microwave. I love doing that. So just a little bit ago, just a few minutes ago, I did a post on Patreon about the Walmart lawsuit, and basically, from my understanding, their scales were off, so the prices of their meat and some fruits and vegetables were not correct. And even if you don't have your receipt, and they're going back to 2018 to 2023, you can still get a payout. So it's $25, and they will Venmo you. So definitely check into that. And if you're not a Patreon supporter, I wish you would be. I'm having a lot of fun over there. I share things over there that I don't share on YouTube. It's $5 a month, but you must be 18 years or older. So there you go. More packages, probably bird food. So in this box is AJ's tablet protector. Some chia seeds that I needed. I think I already have one, but I think I got two. Some hemp seeds for the birds, and then some dried broccoli. And that will go with everything here. So more bird food. This is dried carrots. There's some dried peas down there, and lots of other stuff. And there's my little babies today. They're precious. Hi. So there's my lunch. It doesn't look so appetizing, but it's actually pretty good. And sweet tea. I do allow myself to have some Coke or Pepsi here and there, but I'm doing a lot better. and I have YouTube up. So that is pretty much the way my day looks a lot of days when I come home from lunch. So sometimes I come home and clean, and the dishes needed done, including making the bed, which I usually never do first thing in the morning. It's just not what I want to do. I love all these windows. I love them. The storms weren't that bad last night. They did wake us up in the 4 o'clock hour. AJ came and crawled in bed with me, but still, I was a little worried about some of these trees, but yep, we made it through the night. A-okay. Bluebella's doing so good. The temperatures have really dropped since that rain. It's going to be cold for a couple days, and then it's supposed to warm back up. So I got my heavy coat back on, and I'm actually wearing socks today, and yeah, I'm waiting for spring like everybody else. Bluebella's doing so good. Dinner tonight. I really wanted spaghetti, and we're having it. You thought he was dead?
Yeah.
He's not dead. AJ made a huge mess with paper tonight that we're going to clean up tomorrow, aren't we?
No.
Yes. Yes, you are. Unwinding a little bit. AJ's in bed. I took a bath. I didn't wash my hair tonight. I definitely need to dye it. But I'm getting clothes out, plugging electronics in, and getting ready for bed. Right now, it is 9:39. So I'm going to go turn everything off out there in the living room and come back here to bed. Romeo won't quit meowing. So I got out my work clothes. It's another cold day tomorrow. So I love these pants. They're so warm. They got blue in them. So this blue cashmere sweater is really, really nice to wear with it. And then I even got some socks out to kind of match. I don't always wear socks, but I feel like I have to right now, simply because it's so cold. Birds are asleep. Cat is fed. All right, off to bed with a loud cat. So I'm trying to find what I'm gonna watch to go to bed. I think I have something in my history that I just started. Where'd it go? This one.